Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. As we approach the holiday season, I'm sure we all make lots and lots of cookies. Today I want to share my favorite cookie recipe from America's Test Kitchen for chewy but crispy oatmeal cookie. Of all the cookie recipes I've tried in the past, I find that this is actually my favorite. And if you have your own favorite cookie recipe, please share them with me as well. So shall we get started? So first step to making a very nice chewy cookie, I think, lies in butter. And a lot of you use butter as it is or whipped. And this recipe actually calls for brown butter. So I'm going to turn the heat on to medium-high and melt the butter until it turns brown. So you have to brown the butter until it turns brown. Don't stir it, just whisk it and transfer to a bowl. Then you add brown sugar to the butter mixture with white sugar. A mixture of brown and white sugar would help make it moist and less sweet. And you also get that very wonderful flavor of molasses. So I think this really makes the cookie kind of nice and chewy and yet not as sweet. Mix it well. Make sure all the lumps in the sugar and when it's all well mixed, you add in cinnamon and cooking oil. Just by looking at the ingredients, you have to forget your diet, okay? Don't think about it. Again, mix it well. And some people, use hand mixers, or you can actually use a food processor. But I like to mix it by hand. It's got that handmade touch, as they say. And I'm going to add the eggs now. This is actually another key point, that we have 2 egg yolks, just 1 egg. That also adds to the nice and chewiness. And some vanilla extract. Here now you do your arm exercise by mixing it until it turns really nice and creamy and smooth. So now with the flour, I'm going to mix some baking soda and some salt. And I whisk it together. Make sure that dry ingredients are all well mixed. Now transfer the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, not all at once, but maybe 1/3 at a time. This way you don't really mess up your kitchen table. Already the dough starts to smell so nice. More. And the last of the flour. So the dough is really well mixed and is very nice and sticky dough. I'm going to add the whole oatmeals. Not the instant kind, but the whole oatmeal that you have to cook. So a lot of oatmeal. And I mix it and it'll be ready. Dough is really all well mixed. And instead of using an ice cream scoop or measuring spoon, I like to use my hand. So I do like a small round. I like playing with my food, so it really gives me pleasure when I get a chance to work with cookie dough like this. Now the cookies are already on my cooking tray, and I'm going to put it into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So let's go. So now we have all the cookies ready, and they've been cooling on the rack for about 20 minutes. And it's ready to be packaged. I'm going to have to make about 40 of these cookies for this organization that I support. And for the children that we're giving the cookies to, I hope they'll enjoy it and appreciate the fact that we made it at home. So I'm going to put about 6 cookies per little tray here. And just to make sure that they don't break, I'm going to stand them up. Oh, actually, I think maybe just 5, because the cookies are a little bit thick. Only 5 fits in comfortably. Really wonderful things about going to a Korean market. They have a market specially dedicated to selling packaged goods and packaging. So I went and bought these little bags and little trays here. So I put them in. And actually, it kind of makes the cookie packaging easy and looks very professional, doesn't it? So I'll just fold them over. And they also sell little stickers that says, "Please enjoy your cookie." So I'll put one here. Voila, it's ready. So I hope that you will take the time this holiday season and make these wonderful cookies for your family and friends. And really, truly, I hope to receive some of your favorite cookie recipes as well. So enjoy!